Imagine a car that looks like it was pulled straight out of the future, wrapped in a deep black finish that absorbs light and attention at the same time. That's exactly what Tesla's new Black Series delivers. The moment it appears on screen, the design speaks for itself. The sleek body lines, the minimalist front fascia, and the darkened trim pieces create a bold, stealth-like personality. This isn't just a new color option, it's a statement of power and elegance combined. As we walk around the exterior, the first thing you'll notice is how clean and aerodynamic the shape is. Tesla has always focused on reducing drag, and this model is no exception. The flush door handles, the smooth LED headlights, and the matte black detailing all work together to boost efficiency and give the car a premium, futuristic feel. Even the blacked-out alloy wheels add to the car's aggressive and luxurious presence. Now let's talk performance. Tesla is known for instant torque, and this new series keeps that legacy alive. With its updated dual-motor setup, acceleration feels almost unreal. You tap the pedal and the car moves with a silent punch that leaves most gas-powered cars far behind. Whether you're merging onto a highway or overtaking, the response is instant and confident. The battery range has also been optimized, allowing longer drives without needing frequent stops at a charging station. And thanks to Tesla's advanced regenerative braking system, you get more efficiency and a smoother driving experience. Inside the car, the cabin continues the futuristic theme. The all-black interior matches perfectly with the exterior, giving the car a unified personality. Tesla keeps the layout extremely clean with a large central touchscreen controlling almost everything. From climate settings to navigation and entertainment, everything is simple and intuitive. The seats are supportive and comfortable, making long drives feel effortless. And with Tesla's improved noise isolation, the cabin stays quiet even at higher speeds. Another major highlight is the technology packed into this car. Tesla's Autopilot and full self-driving capabilities are more refined than ever. Lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, automatic lane changes, and smart navigation all work together to make driving easier and safer. Over-the-air updates mean the car keeps improving even after you buy it, giving owners new features and enhancements without visiting a service center. Let's not forget the safety factor. Tesla continues to score high on crash tests, and the low center of gravity from the battery pack helps keep the car stable on sharp turns. Multiple sensors and cameras constantly monitor the surroundings, adding an extra layer of confidence for the driver. So what makes the Tesla Black Series stand out? It's the combination of stealthy styling, cutting-edge performance, and futuristic technology. It looks bold, drives like a high-end electric rocket, and offers smart features that make everyday travel smoother and more enjoyable. If you're someone who loves innovation wrapped in a powerful and premium design, this new Tesla series in black is definitely worth taking a closer look at.